Hello! Today, I'm going to show you how to first queue and then execute a DAO proposal in OpenBook. I will explain exactly why we need to queue proposals a little bit later. For now, let's head over to Google and find the correct website. Type in DAOForum.org and let's navigate to the subforum where the discussion is happening. You can click on this link or just remember, openbook.to. Let's connect the wallet first. I'll be using the NYKNYC wallet because it allows for sponsored transactions, and it's just much more comfortable for me to use. Okay, we are in and authenticated successfully.
Let's check the proposal. Since this DAO is brand new and I am the only token holder, surprise, surprise, no one have voted except me. So here is the proposal information and the actions that I want to trigger once the execution happens. If you're interested in how this DAO proposal was created in the first place, please check out the video on my channel titled How to Create a DAO Proposal in OpenBook. Let's just double verify the transaction hash in Arbiscan. Okay, perfect. Everything looks fine. Let's go ahead and queue the proposal. Let me sign all the data real quick, and we are good to go.
Now, the reason we need to queue a proposal comes down to two main things. The first and most fundamental idea is to allow anyone who is unhappy with the proposal to leave the DAO, meaning they can sell their tokens if there is liquidity. This queue time gives DAO members a moment to actually think. The second reason is to stop malicious attacks. If a bad proposal slips through the initial voting delay and the voting phase itself, the queue acts as a final safeguard. Now you know. At first, I was also confused by all these different proposal states, but it was added for a very big reason. And that reason is the hundreds of millions of dollars that have been stolen from DAO treasuries in the past.
Let's quickly verify that the proposal was queued. Okay, great, it is queued. Let's try to execute it right now, just to see if the system allows us. Perfect, it blocked the execution, exactly as it should. And now, let's wait 3 hours. Currently, the queue time is set to 3 hours because I created the DAO and I'm the only member. You can check my video, Launch Your Own DAO for free, to see exactly how I set that 3-hour time lock delay. In the future, when more people join, we will increase this delay to 3 days. I think 3 days is the most optimal. Great! 3 hours passed and we are ready to execute the proposal. But first, let's verify that the Treasury actually holds 99% of the tokens since we launched the DAO a few days ago. Let's click here, and yes, as you can see, it has 9,900,000 DFR tokens. Great. Let's click Execute button and follow the signing flow. Great, the transaction was signed, and let's refresh the Arbiscan page. As you can see, the amount of tokens in the Treasury were reduced by 600,000 tokens, as in the proposal. Let's just find the transaction hash and double-check that the transfers went to correct addresses. Great, 500,000 here and 100,000 there. Let's sync the Treasury and update the amounts. And in the next video, I will show you how to correctly record this type of transactions in your DAO ledger. So it'll be easier for you to track the token movements and DAO members can verify how exactly the DAO operates. Thank you for watching.